all scattered on the floor. We've been hanging by a thread and both been staying out of bed. I didn't mind when you walked out the door. I thought I was fine, that I was free, but now I ended up wishing you would come back to me. Why did I let you go, set you free, say goodbye and leave me? Why don't you give me a chance, come back to me? 'Cause I don't wanna sleep and wake up on empty sheets. My words were left unsaid, my voice was hiding in my head. Now all I've left are nothing but regrets. Why did I buy some time and do my best to keep you mine? Forgive me if I let go, I just lost my will to try. But now I'm back up on my feet. If it's not enough, then I'll be begging on my knees. So why did I let you go, set you free, say goodbye and leave me? Why don't you give me a chance, come back to me? 'Cause I don't wanna sleep and wake up on empty sheets. Come back to me, stay with me. Why can't I think of it? Why did you slip away? Now I move on, wanting you to come back, wanting to start asking, what if you all that I am? But if you won't, I'll understand. Why did I let you go,
let you go,
set you free,
set you free?
say